Hello guys, I am Kiran. I am a student of American Institute, Kuchaman City. Today I want to tell about the JWST. So the full form JWST is the James Webb Space Telescope. You can see in the picture of JWST. So it is a space telescope. It is developed by NASA in the collaboration with European Space Agency and Canadian Space Agency. The main purpose of JWST that it's provide space-related information through the based on gravitational lensing and the infrared observation. If I talk about the cost, it cost about $10 billion, and NASA, European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency took 25 years to work out a design and development. About 1.5 million kilometers from there is a L2 point. There is a L2 point. There is always keeping the Earth shadow, and it orbit around the James Webb Space Telescope orbit around the Sun. In this space to infrared camera motivate the first is near infrared camera, we can say NIRCam. The second is mid infrared instrument, we can say MIRICam. We can say difference between NIRCam and the MIRICam. This picture was captured by NIRCam, and this picture was captured by MIRICam. In this picture we can see the clouds, dust and the gases, but in this picture the clouds, dust and gases less than the NIRCam, and in this picture we can see the two stars, but in this picture we can see only one star. The question is what we are saying in this picture. In this picture the two stars, we can see the first star this star is bright star. It is the early stage in its life, and the second is dying star. It is dimmed, and it is the going on to die. Now I want to tell about the comparison between Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Space Telescope. I would like to tell about the Hubble Space Telescope, the most powerful telescope had till now. But now the James Webb Space Telescope, most powerful telescope in whole world. The Hubble Space Telescope launched on 24th of April 1909, and the James Webb Space Telescope launched on 25th December 2021. Hubble Space Telescope developed by NASA and the European Space Agency, and the James Webb Space Telescope developed by NASA and the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency. The nomenclature, the Hubble Space Telescope nomenclature: American astronomer Edwin Powell Hubble, and the James Webb Space Telescope nomenclature: NASA Administrator James E. Webb. We can see the space name similar to the nomenclature. The James Webb Space name similar to Edwin Powell Hubble, and the James Webb Space Telescope name similar to the James E. Webb. Now I want to tell about technical specification. The Hubble Space Telescope is the Hubble Space Telescope primary mirror is 2.4 meter, and the James Webb Space Telescope primary mirror is 6.5 meter. Using radiation in this Hubble Space Telescope, used mostly infrared, limited ultraviolet, and the visible wavelength. In the James Webb Space Telescope, most use mainly infrared wavelength, and the Hubble Space Telescope work at normal temperature, and the James Webb Space Telescope work at the very low temperature. It's minus 390 Fahrenheit, and the Hubble Space Telescope not capable to observing dusty galaxy, but the James Webb Space Telescope James Webb Space Telescope capable to observing dusty galaxy because of infrared wavelength. We can see the difference between the visible wavelength and the infrared wavelength. In this picture was clicked by Hubble Space Telescope, and this picture was clicked by James Webb Space Telescope. In this picture, we can't through clouds. We can see clouds, but in this picture we can look pass through the clouds. So that is the main benefit of infrared wavelength and the visible wavelength. They are repairing the Hubble Space Telescope repairing is possible in space, and till now scientists have been repaired 5 times, and the James Webb Space Telescope repairing is not possible in space. We can say that James Webb Space Telescope is 4 times powerful and better than the Hubble Space Telescope. And if I talk about the focal length of James Webb Space Telescope, James Webb Space Telescope focal length is 130.4 meters and 131.4 meters the focal length. And if I talk about it's 2050, it's more than 2500 the DSLR camera. If someone use that as a hobby DSLR camera, so we know that the DSLR cameras focal length usually somewhere the 24 millimeters, 65 millimeters, that is, but it is the